In front of me is a OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Now scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed mode, and use this switcher to activate it. Now, if you are using Tricky's navigation, unfortunately you have to switch it to gestures. Without them you won't be able to use one-handed mode. To do it now, hit Settings in the pop-up and tap on Gestures. Then go back and enable one-handed mode thanks to gray switcher. Now follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. To go back to Tricky's navigation, go back, scroll more and tap on System and Updates to hit System Navigation section, where you can go back to buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!